Garage door opener warping or sagging during operation is super frustrating and can totally mess up your whole setup if you don't catch it early. Alright, so first always check the tracks on both sides, because if they're bent or dirty, the door won't move smooth and can start to sag. Make sure the rollers are rolling properly and not worn out. If they're rusty or cracked, swap them out as soon as possible. Lubricate the tracks and rollers with a good silicone spray to keep things moving slick and quiet. Tighten any loose bolts or screws on the brackets and hinges because even a little wiggle can cause sagging. Don't forget to inspect the door panels themselves for warping, especially if you live somewhere humid or wet. Balance matters a lot too, so disconnect the opener and manually lift the door about halfway. If it falls or rises unevenly, the springs might need adjustment. If the opener chain or belt looks slack or worn, that can lead to uneven door movement. Lastly, keep an eye on the opener's motor and gears for signs of wear. They can cause jerky motion that leads to sagging over time. One of the biggest mistakes people make with garage door sagging is ignoring the tracks when they get dirty or bent. Cleaning and straightening these can fix a lot without hiring a pro. Another common issue is not lubricating the rollers and tracks regularly. This simple step prevents rust and helps everything slide right. The third big problem is leaving loose hardware unchecked. Those bolts and screws loosen naturally, and tightening them stops a lot of sagging problems before they start. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for anyone looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to garage doors or any home project. Plus, it's a solid way for contractors to connect with homeowners who need work done without all the hassle of traditional advertising.